Hey guys, welcome back to the Codebug YouTube channel. I am Siddharth Kumar and you're once again here to learn Java. Now guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to implement a for loop, or what's a loop basically. A loop is a statement that does your task repeatedly. Any task that is to be done repeatedly, a loop is to be implemented for it. Like I've done here. Here's the code for a simple loop program, class for loop, public static void main string args. For int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to 10. Here, I want that my task should be repeated 10 times. So I've run the loop for 10 times. Here I've initialized a variable. I've initialized here. You can initialize it anywhere, like here or anywhere. For int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Now this means is I equals to 0, that we've initialized it as 0. And this part means that it will run till when? Until the value is less than and equals to 0. Till the value is less than equal to 0, it will be false for the value greater than 0. So it will run till equals to 10 or less than 10, and it will cover all the numbers in between. And I plus plus, for each number, after implementing each number, it will move or increment itself by 1. So now what this task should do, this will print hello on your screen for 10 times and vertically. Why vertically? Because print ln, now these two letters ln in this method, print ln, means that the line breaking. Ln means the line breaking. If we remove the ln letters, then this will print the hello word on your screen 10 times, but horizontally. Now if we put the ln, then it will print vertically. Let's compile and check. Void main, enter. Here's the output, 10 times hello. Now let's remove ln, compile, void main, here, hello, mic testing. So that's all for today. In the forthcoming tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to implement a switch statement. Guys, remember guys, these are decision making statements, if statements, switch statements. These are decision making statements in Java. So be careful while implementing them, and I'm gonna guide you step by step through all the functions of Java and how to use it as a powerful tool. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe as usual. And if you have any query related to Java, then you can post in the comment box below, and I'll make a separate video for that. Thank you.